Hello my Linians, this is Teacher Charis, and today we're going to discuss the topic Arts and Crafts of the Ilocos Region and Pangasinan. This video tutorial is based from your learning activity sheets in Art 7, Quarter 1, Week 1. So bring out your learning activity sheets and turn your learner's module to pages 146 to 148. Our learning targets for this session are: analyzes elements and principle of art in the production of one's art and crafts inspired by the art of Luzon, highlands and lowlands. And the other one is identifies characteristics of arts and crafts in specific areas in Luzon. For example, papier-mâché or taka from Paite, Ifugao sculptures or bulbul, Cordillera jewelry and pottery, and Ilocos weaving and pottery or gurnay, and etc. Before the lesson, let's have some warm-up questions. I have here 2 questions for you to answer. The first question is, what do you think is the process and the products of forming vessels and other objects with clay and other ceramic materials? Very good. The answer is pottery. The second question is, what do you think is the method of textile production in which 2 distinct sets of yarns or threads are interlaced at right angles to form a fabric or cloth? That's great. The answer is weaving. To proceed in our topic, we will discuss the arts and crafts of the Ilocos region and Pangasinan. Let's identify the characteristic of the arts and craft in Ilocos region, such as architecture, textile, and pottery. First one is architecture. In Ilocos region, one of the famous landmarks is Vigan, which considered as the Intramuros of the North, that retains its Spanish colonial architecture along its narrow and cobblestone streets known as Calle Crisologo. Second one is textile. The famous hand-weaving technique of the Ilocanos is the inabel. The different designs represent different meanings. The dizzying binakol weave represents the waves of the sea. And the third one is pottery. The most popular pottery in Ilocos region called gurnay. It is an unglazed earthen jar with small opening. It is used for storage for water and rice grains, and as container for salt, brown sugar, basi or local wine, and bagoong or fermented fish. Next is the characteristic of the arts and craft that is very popular in Pangasinan, which is weaving. Weaving. The arts and crafts of Pangasinan include the smoothly woven bulinaw mats made from muri or raffia leaves, and the bamboo crafts such as baskets or furnitures of San Carlos. The art elements found in the arts and crafts of Ilocos region and Pangasinan are rectangular shape of bulinaw mats and round shape of the opening of gurnay, soft texture of the inabel textile and its different colors, lines and shape on its motif, and lastly, the space and value of the picture of Calle Crisologo in Vigan. To sum up our lesson, provide a brief answer to the question below. What are the popular arts and crafts in Ilocos region and Pangasinan? These are the answers. Vigan of Ilocos is considered as the Intramuros of the North, and the narrow and cobblestone streets in Vigan is known as the Calle Crisologo. Inabel is the famous hand-weaving technique of the Ilocanos. Burnay is an unglazed earthen jar with small opening used as a storage. And Bolinao mats is a woven mats made from buri or raffia leaves, and the bamboo craft such as basket and furniture are made from rattan. At this point, turn your activity sheet to enrichment part. You are going to identify the following questions stated in your activity sheets in Part 7. You will write only the answer, but take note for reminder about the enrichment activity. Do not write anything on this activity sheet. Write your answer on a separate long band paper. I hope you learned something today. If you have questions or clarifications regarding the topic we discussed, feel free to contact your subject teacher through call, text, or post your questions in your official Facebook group or page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.